guys can recognize what you know is different, drop the comments down below. I was thinking about making a video of that like separately. I think it'll be pretty interesting. So yeah, drop the comments down below. Definitely feel better. Let's get on to today's vlog. Currently 8:35. So it's always raining. Like the last 2 weeks I've been home, it's always raining on my days off, but we're gonna make our most use of today with what we can do. So the vlog today, guys, we're gonna talk and we're gonna walk and talk. When am I gonna be turboing one of my cars? And I honestly, guys, to throw it out there, I'm probably not gonna turbo this K24. I'm probably not gonna turbo Midnight just because it's the daily right now. But if I get another car, then I might change it. Yeah, so today we're gonna talk about when am I gonna turbo my car. So it's, oh, here we go with the mosquitoes again. So once again, I had to continue this vlog in the car because every time I want to take a walk lately, the skeeters are just ferocious. Back to the turbo talk. So just real quick to throw it out there, I don't want to make this like a 10-minute video of me talking about, you know, when I'm going to turbo my car, getting right to the point. So I'm probably not going to turbo the K24. I want to leave it NA. I think it's fun the way it is. Midnight is fun the way she is, and I have the EPS, so I don't really want to add more power and then have like a, you know, a non-responsive steering wheel the majority of the time when I'm driving. Get some parts added, drop the K20 off at the machine shop, have them rebuild it. So probably I'm shooting for, probably gonna end up doing the over the winter time or like during the fall months. I'll probably have the K20 like at the machine shop getting finished and stuff. So I gotta order new valves for the K20. I'm gonna order motion springs, piston rings, rod bearings, kind of tweak it up, get it back to like, you know, OEM, new timing chain, things like that, just to kind of like refresh it a little bit. I mean, I have faith in the engine and I'm not going to be pushing crazy horsepower, so I'm just going to throw it in. I don't want to dump too much money into the K20 in case, you know, it does, you know, grenade or, you know, whatever happens with it. So, and although I have the whole kit, still have to order a few things. So I'm gonna do, I have to get a clutch still, I have to get injectors, and I have to get a fuel pump. Everything planned. It's just right now, obviously we know the time is, you know, it's not the best time for me to do the whole build. Yeah, ultimately, guys, so let me get up out of here. So yeah, we just got to run some errands today, nothing too crazy. I'm gonna hit the gym later. Honestly, it's right now the focus is, well, I'm focused on a lot of things, but right now the focus is on keep getting to a certain level, you know, have enough funds to do what I want when I want. You know, I have the turbo. I'm really like, I'm trying not to beat myself up over it because like I bought what I've dreamed of for a long time and I don't even have it on yet. So I can't keep, you know, going back to that. But essentially the focus is on getting my money up, having enough, take time off and do what I want to do. And then everything will fall into place after that, guys. One step at a time. Some days are good, some days are bad. You know, it is what it is. I talk about that a lot, but I still have high hopes for the channel down the road. I know I can't rush perfection anyways, so I think it's gonna be fun, like a fun journey. You know, next year, all I'm saying right now is next year there's gonna be some crazy stuff happening, some crazy stuff to come next year. So one of the main problems too is, you know, and I talk about this all the time, I'm gonna have it because I always talk about it, is, you know, having my own garage. So that's why I'm saying next year's gonna be pretty big. So, you know, turbo, garage, just other things. So I'm making moves slowly and surely, guys. It's not going to be an overnight success thing, but you know, I am, you know, hustling for that pretty much. Craving a good old Starbucks coffee right now, Cafe Americano. So I think we're gonna make way over there. A lot of pros for the future on the channel. Podcast coming eventually. We got the turbo coming. I want to do some self-improvement videos, so it's all going to be fun, guys. And I appreciate everybody who still checks in on me, the supporters, the OGs, the ones who actually know, you know, what I'm doing, like what the next thing is gonna be, and like you guys could just connect the pieces of the puzzle, you know. But I also want to enjoy what I'm doing at the same time, guys. So some days I'm not gonna post all the time. I'm only gonna post, you know, when I'm truly feeling happy to post and make content for you. But that's it, guys. I'm checking out. We gotta enjoy the rest of the rainy day today and try to get a lot of things done. And I'll see you guys all soon. So be sure you guys like, drop all your comments down below. I know a lot of you guys are turboed, and subscribe for more content. So I'll see you guys soon. This is all said and done. You'll have seen the plan that I've took and the steps that just lead to the next thing and to the next thing and to the next thing. See you guys soon. Peace.